Chainsaw Man is the wildest ride of 2022. From brutal action to dark humor, this anime hits different. Denji just wants a normal life, but instead, he's out here fighting devils with a chainsaw coming out of his head. It's insane. MAPPA really went all out with the animation. Those fights are buttery smooth, blood flying everywhere, and the energy is unmatched. And let's talk about that opening. Peak cinema. Makima is terrifying in the best way. Power is an unhinged queen, and Aki? Too pure for this world. If you haven't watched Chainsaw Man yet, what are you even doing? It's a must-see.